Drop Quench Furnace. The drop-bottom furnace developed by Kalyani Enterprises is an inverted type furnace with hydraulic charge lifting and lowering facility to accommodate the high-speed quenching, including declamping, door opening and quenching. The drop-bottom furnace can be a standalone type furnace with charge carrier loader and quenching tank moving on the floor, or floor-mounted with charge carrier loader and quench tanks sliding in a pit. As the requirement is of quenching the workpiece quickly, it is fully automated by the use of PLC and SCADA. These furnaces can also be used for aging cycle ranging from 16 to 24 hours time. Drop-bottom quench furnaces are used for the solution heat treatment of aluminum alloys. They are designed to operate with tight uniformities from 150 degrees Celsius to 650 degrees Celsius for maximum flexibility to allow for aging and annealing. The drop-bottom furnace stands on a base so that a quench tank can be positioned directly below the furnace. Because of the broad working temperature range, drop-bottom furnace plants allow complete T6 heat treatments consisting of solution annealing, quenching and artificial aging in just one furnace. Specification of the furnace are: Features: sliding positive sealing door systems (PLC) or HMI for process automation, 24/7 factory direct technical service, digital PID temperature controller, excess temperature controller and additional thermocouples, standard voltage, 3 pH, 50 Hz or other upon request, easy and quick maintenance, heavy duty construction. Quality components: high volume airflow provides excellent uniformity and heating rates. Low maintenance door gasket and interior. Meets aerospace and MIL specifications. Fully adjusted and factory tested prior to shipment to reduce installation and startup costs. Competitively priced. Available in custom sizes.